Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our friends and loved ones at YouTube. How are you guys doing today on this beautiful Saturday? It is your host, your friend, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. 𝔸𝕤𝕜. Haven't been here on in a minute. I just been working on some things in the background, trying to get some things going to be able to help our clients expedite and get their credit up and running. I get asked, once we sign up with you, Saul, how fast can we see progress in our credit report? Well, at the end of the day, it's up to you guys, because I said we have a system that is very fast, is very quick, and I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so to pull your credit, watch this. Okay, just this. Okay, yes. Okay, watch this. Okay, right now, with that push of a button, I am pulling all three credit bureaus information out, the most current, the most accurate information out of your report. Not only is it doing that simultaneously, it is also creating a game plan. Look at that. How quick was that? Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, boom, when it came out. Okay, I'm going to show you guys 21 pages with just a click of a button. Okay, we're gonna go. You're gonna see the game plan already created, giving you the tips, what we gotta do, how we're gonna do it, how we're gonna be able to help your credit. That only took me about 30 seconds. Okay, then you got the credit reports, and then you got the items that we're gonna remove. Boom, boom, boom.